Hi guys and girls, or should I say hola. I'm here in Miami. Got in last night. I was a bit blown away by the fact that the airport doors opened and it was already 90 degrees and it was 5:30 at night. So I don't do heat, people. I don't do. Why did I sign up for this fabulous show? Why? Because I'm an idiot. Because it's too hot for me. But never mind, I will deal with it. My mother's probably sat at home now going, oh, if only I could be that warm. Anyway, so I'm here. We're beginning to do the prep work. A lot of the stands are setting up today for the SoFlo Cakes and Candy show, I believe it is. I apologise in the chat room if I get that wrong, but you know, I'm getting old. I've got no brain for that. I'm a bit ditzy this morning, purely because when I arrived here Thursday afternoon, I hadn't slept since Tuesday night, so a bit lost the plot really. Excited to be here. I'm teaching on Sunday. I'm demming tonight on Nicholas Lodge's stand, promoting the book and the Creative Cake System. I'm also demming here on the Saturday and the Sunday. It's going to be fun. It's a new one for me. I've never done this show before. I've only ever heard good things. So I'm here at the Miami Convention Center at Miami International Airport. Don't get it mixed up with Fort Lauderdale. It's not, because I nearly booked the wrong flight, people. But there you go. Okay, so I will try and do updates throughout the day. You know me, I will do my best. But if it's as manic and crazy as I think it's going to be, you might just be getting one from me on Sunday night going, sorry guys, I forgot, I ran out, blah, blah, blah. You know me. But no, I will try not to be lame about it. So if you're coming here, I'm looking forward to seeing you. Don't forget, if you are looking for my book, Nicholas Lodge will be carrying it. He's got it here at the show, and I believe it's going on to his website next week. So take care, have fun, and stay cool. Bye guys. Hi guys and girls. Well, they've just opened the doors on Sip and Shop. Nice idea. So the show was at 5 o'clock at night, and I think it goes through to 9 o'clock, so you can buy a special ticket. With that ticket you get into the show a little bit earlier than it actually is, which is normal a Saturday Sunday show. From there, some of the stands I'm seeing are doing specials for Sip and Shop stands. They get 10% extra off. There's also glasses of alcohol. I don't know if that's fizzy or not fizzy, or champers or wine. I have no idea what's going down there. And there's like guacamole and chips and salad and snacks. So they've actually really done a good job making it a very special little event. I'm trying to find out where the Mary Antoinette thing is. Oh, just seen her up here. So I'm doing a quick walk round. Hopefully you're not getting seasick as we chat.
Okay.
I'm sure you're not. But my friends on American Cake Decorating have put this together and it looks amazing. Here you go, look. It's called Off With Your Head, I think. Hopefully not my head, but there you go. So, oops, where are we? There you go. Dresses, walls, loads of display pieces. So, that's going on there. I'm not supposed to look at the cakes, so I'm going to let you see the cakes over my shoulder, because I'm actually judging, so I can't be seeing them. I'm judging in the morning. Yeah, it's a fun affair. Lots of people milling around. A lot more people milling around the bar at the moment, but I think that's because they've just this second walked through the door. So hopefully over time I'll be able to do a few more catch-up with you. As I'm walking around, hopefully you'll recognise a few faces. You never know. Okay, so this is the end of the day update. End of the day update for me today. I will try and do some tomorrow morning. I'm working with Nicholas Lodge on the stand in the morning, so hopefully I can give you some updates there, tell you what we're all about. It's just very, very busy here. Big thank you to Renshaws, by the way, sponsoring my class on Sunday. Love that. Thank you so much for the help with all the pace, because I certainly wasn't going to fly with it. So Renshaws America, thank you guys. So where are we up to? I've actually got lost. I think I need one of those Marauders maps. So, right, moving on down here. How are we doing? Right, coming towards the entrance, you can see it's getting very, very, very noisy here. So here you go. We're at Nick's stand, so this is where I'm going to be for the evening, selling my book. So take care, guys. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's Sunday morning here. Obviously, you can see all the green behind me. That's Nicholas Lodge's stand. And most of the stands actually have coverings up this morning. Sorry, it was absolutely crazy busy here yesterday, so I was judging all day. I'm getting ready to teach today and do more dems, so there wasn't actually a chance to show you around. But what I've done is I've photographed some of the cakes I liked in the competition area, and I'll post those as soon as I can. It's just been crazy busy. Lots of things on sale here, lots of clever stuff. I mean, I'm coming up here, Evil Cape Genius. Love Evil Cape Genius, love leather stencils. There isn't a lot to show you really. I mean, there's display pieces that are on stands, obviously. As we look along there, there's some of the display stuff. So, as you can see, really cute. But what I'll do is, what I'll do is I'll post the pictures of the competition cakes, as I said, in a few minutes. So who's this? I don't know who this. I don't know who half the people are, because obviously I'm not from here, funnily enough. So right, so I'm going to leave you here, say goodbye, get back to the hotel because I could pick up the coated dummies. Morning, Ruth Ricky. Pick up the stuff ready for setting up the class, and then what we'll do is I'll post the pictures at the same time. You never know, you might get an update from me later today. I very much doubt it. Oh, look at these. Doreen, these are for you, babes. Can't get them in the shot. And there you go. Nice cookies. My friend Doreen likes a nice ice cookie. So, right, I'm going to say goodbye and get my butt into gear because I'm supposed to be working in about 30 minutes and I'm not ready. Funny that. Okay, have a good one and I will speak to you when to speak to you. Bye-bye now.